Who was that? 7-Eleven out there calling for 219? 219, San Francisco.
219 is 7111. 2 World Radio 7111. 209.
Roger, 701, I think it was. I'm sorry, man. My kid's over here yelling at me. 219, San Francisco Bay. Try it again.
Now, Roger, 219 is 7111. 2 World Radio 7111.
7111. I got you, man. Sorry about that. 219 in Macintosh, San Francisco Bay on the YouTube, my friend.
Roger, 219 on the YouTube. You said, go ahead, dude. This is Rusty. Romeo Uniform Sierra Tango Yankee, South Carolina.
Hey, Rusty. Yeah, thanks for the comeback, man. You sounded good out here in your San Francisco Bay. You saw the signals over the rest of them here, man. I got my YouTube channel, Macintosh 219, San Francisco Bay.
Roger, Roger, there, 219. We got a good group on you, no doubt about it, son. Show us, son.
Check. 219, Macintosh 219, San Francisco Bay on the YouTube. Hello, radio.
You got me, you got me on YouTube there, 219?
Yes, sir. You're going to be on the YouTube in about 20 minutes. I'll put you on there, my friend. 219, San Francisco.
How do I find it?
You go to YouTube and you punch in Macintosh 219 CB Radio. Over. $89.16 in Florida, I think it was. $89.16, 219, San Francisco Bay.
Macintosh 219, San Francisco Bay.
Roger. Macintosh 219 CB Radio, San Francisco. Roger. Yeah, I hear a station out there calling me, but I can't make out your numbers. Try again. Macintosh 219, San Francisco Bay. South Carolina station, I hear you. Try again with your numbers.
All right, 219, they'll be looking for that there YouTube there and see if I can find it there. This is 2 World Radio 7111, South Carolina, back to you.
Roger that, 7111. Hey, man, your signal's coming in strong, man. Really strong. Macintosh 219 CB Radio. There you go.
Now, Roger there, y'all making a fine trip over here to Aiken, South Carolina. Roger 721 Purple. I'm going to turn today into my tag team partner. You let me listen for my tag team partner over here. He's 2 World Radio 7111. I'm at 2 World Radio 813. Roger. 510 at Mobile. Eagle Bender, 777, wait. Go ahead, 813, get him.
Needle Bender 777 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. Needle Bender 777 219 San Francisco.
You take it easy in that Mobile, no doubt about it. It's blowing smoke round the Carolinas. 2 World Radio 7111 standing by. Hey, 4 Roger on that ship. You got yourself a real good one out there around Paradise, man.
Needle Bender 777-219-219 San Francisco Bay.
Which one is that there down under? This is 2 World Radio 7111.
Roger, I think I hear you coming back there, 777 Florida. 777 Florida, 219 San Francisco Bay. I'm hearing you, man. Roger, 44, you calling Macintosh? 44? I didn't catch where you were.
Hello, round down under. This is 2 World Radio 7111. Rusty, Romeo, Uniform, Sierra Tango, Yankee, South Carolina. This is right here, Ohio 781.
CQDX 219-219 San Francisco Bay. Macintosh 219. This is 2 World Radio 7111. That's what I was looking for anyway, right? 219 San Francisco. 219 San Francisco Bay.
Tag team partners hollering for y'all West Coast. Y'all open your ears up. That's 813 Georgia. 813 inside Georgia's calling you.
813, I'm hearing him a little bit, but he's underneath you there. 813-219 San Francisco. Roger that, 813. Yeah, you're sneaking in there, man. Your friend's really loud. But 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay on the YouTube. Over.
Uncle Ernie, Needle Bender 777, Tampa Bay.
There you go, Needle Bender 777. I'm hearing you louder now, Needle Bender 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
Well, Roger, Uncle Ernie up there around Anchorage. I hear you want the fish farmer selling good down here in Tampa Bay, Florida, Roger. Roger on 8813. Hey, Uncle Ernie, you have a real good day. Needle Bender 777, Tampa Bay, Florida. Go.
CQDX 219 San Francisco Bay. Macintosh 219 San Francisco.
That's a 1-2, sounded real good yourself, man. Have a good day, my brother. Biggest I come in here to do a little bit of working, straighten some stuff out. I guess the TX in there wind up talking, I'm not straightening anything out. copy on you. 4430. You got 1 radio 813 Georgia back to that San Francisco Bay Area. Copy.
Roger, 813, you're booming now, man. Skip must have changed. 813-219, San Francisco.
Roger, 1 radio 44. Radio 4430, good copy on you. Have a good day, San Francisco Bay. Radio 813 Georgia, back to you.
CQDX 219 San Francisco Bay. 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
Get back to Georgia, 841 Radio Georgia. Back to that unit there, Roger.
Hello, radio. 219 San Francisco Bay. CQDX 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. What's happening?
Radio